Alright, Banks 101, we back YouTube. As you can see, we got our cooler jacket cleaned out. Oh, we cleaned this out. We're gonna try to get a little bit more of that out of there. That Johnson now look like this. He was one of the ones that was clogged up too. That one. This one was clogged too, so. Crud, little vacuum, clean all that stuff out. Look at that. That junction never looked like that. Never. Well, we all in. Got our Felpro. .0X, that's what you gotta have. 98 to 01. So we got an intake gasket, upper, we got a valve cover, we got the EGR, we got a tube with a RTV. Two good valve covers. Got some upper intake gaskets. This for the EGR tube. And the intake gaskets. Peep the design. Reman. You're always gonna get something different. Let's see. Oh. There we go. Peep the other. We gotta change this valve cover gasket because one of these spots on here is tore at. Oh yeah, right here, you see it? See it? Right here. It would have been leaking oil, and this would have been like I believe it'd have been leaking in the back. It's probably where it's a little wet back there now. So yeah, we're about to get all this back together. Get this throttle body cleaned up too a little bit. That should not look like that. So we're gonna get it together. And we holler back once we got it in. Banks 101, we out.